Hey, this is Yogesh Agarwal, and in this video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough on our brand new app called PointRank 2.0. So let's get started. This is our dashboard, and here in the dashboard, you can get a complete overview of your entire data in PointRank 2.0. For example, how many live streams you have, how many has been completed, total number of videos, number of automations, and the total number of thumbnails, and like each and every data, you will get a complete glimpse of all the data. So let me go through each and every feature one by one. So let me start with settings, and these all are options that we have under setting. So first is credentials. This is the page where you will be entering your Google app ID and secret key. And in the add accounts page, this is where you will be adding your YouTube account and other social accounts. In social network setting, you will be configuring the default title and description of the post that is going to be done by PointRank 2.0 system. And in AR setting, you will be configuring the autoresponders. We have around 10 autoresponders, and like here you will be giving the API keys of whatever autoresponder you are going to use with PointRank 2.0. And the last setting we have is the Facebook setting. This is where you will be entering your Facebook's apps ID and secret key through which we will be generating the leads. And this is all about settings. The social network backlinks option here, this is where you can get a list of all the backlinks that has been created by PointRank 2.0 system in the social network that you have configured. So this is all about the top navigation bar, that is our settings and social network backlinks. Now let's move to the real game, creating video and ranking them in an 100% autopilot way. So let me start with creating a video. So to create a video, just click on create or find video. In this page, you can either give your own video, that is you can edit a video, or else you can find a video from YouTube and modify it as per your requirements. So here basically you have to enter a title. I'll just give a dummy title, and right now I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube CC search, that is Creative Commons search. So just enter your keywords. I'll just enter as mountains. Just click on search, and now the system will find all the Creative Commons videos that are attributed under Creative Commons license. You can just use any of these videos, like you can edit them and then use it for your live streams. So this is all about creating or editing the video. Like you will get a lot of option when we talk about editing. I've just selected a video. When I click on next, I'll get all these options. That is, you can select watermark, select its position, select the lower third, or you can use our inbuilt lower third, and then you can add a text on top of that lower third as well. And you can select the colors as well here. So this is all about creating or editing a video. Now let's see how we can rank a video. So to do that, just click on rank videos, click on video ranking wizard. Now basically how PointRank 2.0 system works is it won't let you do the guesswork at all. So basically it will extract the videos which are already ranking. All you have to do is grab the details, do a little bit of modification, and then create an event. So basically you are using a solid and proven data. So there is no way, no chance that the ranking doesn't happen. So I'm going to show you that live here now. So I'm going to put a keyword here. I'll just put as So for my keyword logging app, like these are the listings that are currently ranking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of them. I'll be selecting this particular video, how to create a blog from your mobile phone. I just click on uses. This is like, see, you can see all the statistics of this particular video here. So this looks pretty okay to me. What I'll do is I'll just click on uses. So now here you will get all the data that has been used in that particular YouTube listing, including the title, description, tags. Now here, if you want to collect leads using the stream, all you have to do is to click on this small button and then select your autoresponder. I'll be selecting eye contact, and here you need to select the list, and you have to give a redirect URL. This is a URL that where all the users will be taken to after collecting the leads from Facebook. So I'll just just put my website here. So now once the lead generation, that is the Facebook's work is done, all the users will be redirected to this particular URL. So now I have created a solid listing. I'll just do some modifications here. Just some modification. So I'm done with my modification. I have selected the lead generation, the autoresponder. I have enabled lead generation link responded. So basically what will happen now is it will add a link on the top of the description here. So as soon as it ranks, when people click on it, they will be seeing this link first. So whoever clicks it, they'll be taken to Facebook for login. As soon as they log in, they will be redirected to this particular URL. So this is how the lead gen system works. So now I'll just click on next. Here I can select a template. We'll talk about that later. So basically you can select your channel, date and time, the privacy, time zone, etc. And in the last step, you have to select the video and thumbnail, as well as if you want to post the live event link to your social network accounts, all you need to do is to just select the account, and it will automatically post the live event link into these accounts, and you can find their backlinks in this page. So this is all about ranking your videos. Now let's see the automate ranking part. So here what happens is you have to select a bunch of listings. It will work the same way as we saw earlier. The only difference is that once event has been streamed, there is a possibility that it might lose ranking. So that is what we have patched in our automate ranking section. So as soon as the live streaming is done, it will automatically create another live streaming so that your ranking stays there forever and for years. So as soon as one event is done, it will automatically create another event. So let me give you a complete overview of this. I'll just type some keyword here: iPhone reviews. Click on search. I'll select a couple of videos here. Okay, so now this is the step one. In this step, you will get the metadata of all the videos that you have selected in your previous step, that is the title, description, tags, and everything. Here you can do all the modification that you want to, and if you want to enable a lead gen system, that is a system where you can easily generate leads. You can do that by clicking here. The process is exactly same as we saw earlier. So and then you need to enter a redirect URL. So once you are done, just give a title, project iPhone, and then click on next. This is the schedule setting page. These are basic configuration of your live streams, that is the account, that is the channel, privacy, mode, category, time zone. Once you're done with this, just click on next. Here you should give a date which is at least 20 to 30 days in future. So right now the date is 14 December. I'll be selecting as 8 Jan, and the number of day gap should be at least 20 days. For example, now what will happen is that we have given three listings. So the first listing will go live by Jan 8, and the second listing, if I set the gap as 20 days, it will go by Jan 28, and so on. So I recommend at least 20 days gap so that it ranks higher and sticks there. And this is the time that you can configure, like at what particular time you want the live to happen. So right now it is like 8:48 p.m. I'll just leave it as it is. The same here. So once you're done configuring this, the last step is the social network sites and your videos and thumbnail. So you have to select your thumbnail and video here, and the social network sites if you want to post the live event link. So this is all about automating the rankings. So now the system will keep on posting every 20 days. So your ranking sticks there as long as you want. So this is all about automating the rankings. Now let's move to local ranking. Basically, you can dominate your local area using this particular section. For example, this particular section will allow you to create events that are highly optimized and targeted towards your locality. For example, like let's say, let me put some. So right now I'm targeting Illinois State. Let me put Cook County. So basically now the system has pulled up all the locality that is around Cook County. So I'm just selecting one of them, and now I want to target Plumbers. So now let me click on show results. So here it goes. Best Plumbers, Sherwood Oaks, Honest Plumbers, Sherwood Oaks. So basically it creates a highly optimized title and description which is based on the locality, and this is all done in an automated way. You don't have to find out, google it out, or type one by one. It's already built and given to you. The rest of the things are just like selecting your video thumbnail and editing the description if you want to, and then selecting the channel, and that's it. Give submit and it will create live events. And if anyone searches for plumbers in your area, these event links will be shown to them at the very first. So that is how you get and you target your locality, that is for local rankings. Now let's move to lead management. So basically this is the page where you can see all the leads that you have generated. So like you can select the campaign, and this will filter out and it will show you all the leads, and view details will give you more details about that particular lead. You can also like download the leads as a CSV. And now let's move to video templates. This is the page where you can create a template. For example, when you're downloading a YouTube video for a particular client, let's say if he's an iPhone client, you can just create a intro and outro based on iPhone product, and you can save it as templates. And the next time whenever you're creating any project for that particular client, you can just select that particular template and it will be applied in the video automatically. Like for example, you can set up an intro, outro, and the lower third as well as the watermark. Basically, you don't have to do that each and every time. The template will take care of it. So that is all about video templates, and the video gallery is a place where you will be uploading the videos. And this the last section is thumbnail creator and the gallery. You can find both of them under thumbnail section. So this is where you can create a thumbnail, and the gallery is where you can see all the thumbnails created using the creator, and in the gallery you can also upload your own thumbnail. So this is all about our PointRank 2.0. If you have any doubts or if you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you so much.